loved my time at City, but I thought I just needed a new challenge, a new test. I was doing well in the youth team, and obviously when Schalke come calling and saying I'd be involved with the first team every day and stuff like that, I knew that that would help me, not just for football, but learning a new world, going out different country, not being with my parents and stuff like this. So yeah, I wanted to take it and just give it my all and see where it takes me. Everyone knows Schalke being a top 4 club in Germany, one of the best clubs in Europe, so everyone's expecting Schalke to do well, and obviously we haven't done so well this season, and everyone's expecting us to probably go to Dortmund and lose because we wasn't doing so well before that. Then obviously to go there, win 4-2, it was fantastic, and obviously to get some minutes in that game was crazy. The atmosphere was amazing. We made the whole Schalke family very proud, and hopefully many more moments to come like that. Cardiff will always be a big part in my heart, even if I'm not there so many times anymore. My family still live there. My dad helped me so much in my life. Obviously with football, he started pushing me and improving me at a young age, and obviously then I started playing for Cardiff Academy, and they helped me a lot as well. Growing up in Cardiff, I felt Welsh in a way, even though I was born in Liverpool in England, and people might say, oh, he's English and stuff like this, but I felt Welsh growing up because obviously I lived in Cardiff, watched Wales games. My older brother used to play in the Wales regionals, and I was younger, and I was just used to go and watch, and I just felt like, oh, yes, one day hopefully I can be doing this as well. The Victory Shield was a big thing, 2015 I think it was, and I remember every single moment of the Republic of Ireland game because I wasn't happy that I wasn't starting the game, but then I come on half-time and done well, scored a good goal. I think that gave me the confidence then to go into the last game. I started the last game and score again, and yeah, we won the competition, yeah, and then that was one of the highlights of my young career so far, yeah. I wasn't expecting it at all, but I was ready. I always am in them situations. Of course, there's what you dream of when you're younger, then when it actually comes, it's like, wow. Then you come on the pitch and it's just a dream come true. Hopefully we qualify for the Euros. Everyone knows Croatia's a top team, they've got some top players. They've done well in the World Cup recently, getting to the final. It's going to be tricky, of course, but I feel like we can get a result, yeah. As a club player, I'd say hopefully breaking into the Schalke team more regularly and being a starter and scoring goals, and obviously for international, the same thing. Keep pushing and get more game time and see what next season has for me, and hopefully you make the Wales fans happy again like 2016. Yeah. My parents are proud of me, my family, the whole family is proud of me, but I haven't done anything in the game yet, so there's still a lot to improve on, still a lot to come, and hopefully I can continue to make them happy and proud, and hopefully things will go in the right direction, yeah.
The future's bright.
I hope so. Thank you.